like that. I like that. Hey. Oh. What I added was halftime and then put it on the FX down. So normally it's like this, but I put it down. I put kickstart on it, put gross beat on it to give it like a more glitchy feeling. We might need to pitch it sooner or later, but let's just add some more layers to it. I'm thinking about adding like a vocal. Xpand has some vocals in here as well. Maybe this choir. Perfect. This one needs to go down. Right here, what we're going to add is shaper box. Oh yeah, perfect. Kickstart. Let's add some glitches in there. There's like a little bit of phasing going on here, but I kind of like it. Some people don't like fuck with it, but who are they to judge? You feel me? This is going well, guys, bro. Let's open up Xpand once more and add like a lead or like something to like support the main melody. The drums are going to go so crazy on this, bro. I can tell. That's hard. I just pitch it. Let's speed it up a little bit. Let's copy over the bass notes from the chords. So on two versions of the main melody, one that is like just without the effects and then one with the effects for like in the hook. So we got this one and we got this one. So that wraps up the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you especially learned from this. This beat is like rather chill, but it's definitely like usable and rappable. Hope you enjoyed it. This tutorial showed you how to make a fire beat from scratch all inside of FL Studio using Xpand only. I think it's like the first cookup I did with Xpand in 2023, which is crazy. So don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Also, I'm active on social media as well at gunna beats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.